Hola a todos, bienvenidos a mi canal. Yo soy el profesor Didier García y en esta oportunidad vamos a seguir jugando armando frases. Recuerden que una frase puede estar escrita en positivo, negativo, en pregunta corta, cuando inicia con auxiliar o en WH question. Y siempre llevan el question mark al final, ¿ok? Entonces vamos a tener unas frases, son 10, siempre este jueguito, como lo he dicho, está en internet, pero nadie lo usa, entonces yo lo encontré, vamos a jugarlo y vamos a aprender, ¿ok? Ténganme paciencia mientras lo instalo acá y lo vamos a jugar, ¿ok? Bueno, primera frase, first sentence. Remember, the period is at the end, and then I am going to look for the capital letter at the beginning represent the subject. I'll, the verb is the second place. I will go to the bookshop in the market. I will go to the article, to the bookshop in the market.
I'll go to the bookshop in the market.
I'll go to the bookshop in the market. Very good. The second sentence. This is the admiration point up, but analyze first. Analyze all the parts of the sentence. In this case, we can see here a question mark. Hey. Hey is here. Why is WH question? Why? This is present simple in negative form. Why don't you come to? Very good.
Hey, why don't you come to my house?
Hey, don't you come to my house? Why don't you come to my house? Very good. This is the number 3. Okay, observe very well all the parts of the sentence. Then here we have a question mark. This is always goes at the end. WH question is at the beginning. Why can you sit?
Why can't you sit straight?
Why can't you sit straight? Straight. Very good. Number 4. Okay, analyze all the parts of the sentence. Why is a question? Sorry, I don't see. Here I have this expression is admiration expression with admiration point. Hey, it's a question, but I don't see the question mark at the end. Okay, why don't you come? Why don't you come? The period is at the end. Why don't you come to my house? To my house. Oh my God.
Hey, why don't you come to my house later today?
It was good. Sorry. Why don't you come to my house later? Okay, the period is at the end. It's a negative sentence. This is the pronoun. That isn't a fish.
That isn't a fish.
Oh, sorry. No problem. That isn't a fish. Right. Okay, the last question is at the end. The capital letter always represent the subject, goes at the beginning. We're going for a holiday.
We're going for a holiday.
We're going for a holiday. Right, very good. Sentence number 7. Okay, period is at the end. Here, the personal pronoun is I'll in future tense. I'll the verb is go. I go to. I'll go to the.
I'll go to the station.
I'll go to the railway station or the station. Very good. This is the number 8. I can see here the question mark. Always is at the end because maybe it's a question. Yeah, because the question is here. Why? Why aren't, remember, aren't you?
Why aren't you going?
Why aren't you going or are you going? Very good. Number 9. Period is at the end. Period is here. That, obvio. First one is subject. The second one is the verb. In this case, isn't. That isn't a fish star. Starfish, sorry.
That isn't a starfish.
That isn't a starfish. Very good. The last one is a question. Okay. A question mark is at the end. The WH question is at the beginning. Why don't you, it's a little bit longer than others. Why don't you close the front door? Hey, stay there, man. Why you don't close the front door of the house?
Why don't you close the front door of the house?
Why don't you close the front door of the house? Okay, very good. We are the winners. Bueno, espero que hayamos aprendido otra serie de frases. Recuerden, positivas, hay frases que son positivas y negativas y preguntas que son cortas y largas. Cuando uno dice largas es con WH questions. ¿Ok? Nos ganamos 10 puntos. Espero que hayan aprendido mucho. Repita el video, repita las frases, practique la pronunciación y siempre esfuércese por pronunciar muy bien. ¿Ok? Bueno, nos despedimos por esa oportunidad. Recuerden, denle like, denle click a la campanita y compartan este video para que muchas otras personas también aprendan. Bye bye.